আজি দিনটো অসমৰ ৰাইজৰ বাবে এটা অতি আনন্দৰ আৰু এটা স্বৰ্ণিম মুহূৰ্ত বুলি ক'লেও ভুল কৰা নহ'ব। বিত্তমন্ত্ৰী হিচাপে মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী সৰ্বানন্দ সোণোৱাল ডাঙৰীয়াৰ কাৰ্যকালত অসম চৰকাৰৰ 2020-21 চনৰ বাজেটত আমি প্ৰত্যেকবাৰে বাজেটত অষ্টাদশ মুকুটাৰ মালা বুলি আমি কওঁ 18টা ফ্লেগশ্বিপ স্কিম আৰু প্ৰথম আমি এটা এনাউন্স কৰিছিলোঁ যে যদি নুমলীগড় ৰিফাইনেৰীৰ ডিসইনভেষ্টমেন্ট হয় অসম চৰকাৰে আমাৰ যিটো ষ্টেক তাক আমি 12.5 পৰা 26% লৈকে আমি ইনক্ৰিজ কৰিম। তেতিয়া আমি এসেস কৰিছিলো যে আমাক 1400 কোটি টকা লাগিব আৰু বাজেটত আমি 1400 কোটি টকা ধৰিছিলো। But matter was not as simple as explained today. First of all, it was a tough call on the part of Government of India to segregate Numaligarh refinery from Bharat Petrochemicals. Aru eta stand-alone unit hisabe public sector identity eta maintain kora, it was a tough call. But Pradhan Mantri Modi Dangoriyai eta sahoki siddhanto loisile je Numaligarh refinery stand-alone eta refinery hisabe thakibo aru konoba eta Bharat Sarkarar public sector undertaking a refinery to take over koribo. At this stage, Oil India came into picture. Ami সকলোৱে জানো যে Oil India যদিও Bharat Sarkarar eta PSU, but for all practical purpose, Oil India belongs to people of Assam. Irrespective of balance sheet, core paisa kot jay, core toka kot jay, that doesn't matter. Oil India অসমৰ মানুহে নিজৰ অনুষ্ঠান বুলি গণ্য কৰে আৰু আমাৰ অসমৰ মানুহৰ অভিযান্ত্ৰিক কলা কৌশলী আছে, আমাৰ যিটো টেকনলজিক্যাল স্পিৰিট আছে, সেই স্পিৰিটটো অইল ইণ্ডিয়াৰ জৰিয়তে আমি বিশ্বক দেখুৱাম। So Again, it required certain persuasion. Bharat Sarkar hoiman koribor karone je NRL apunaloke jetia PSU dibo siddhanto loise, why not it is Oil India. So we work together with CMD Oil, where he briefly mentioned. We work together behind the curtain or official channels. And then we succeeded fast that Numaligarh's stake will be with Oil India Limited. Again, Prime Minister takes that decisive decision that oiler hatote Numaligarh's stake thakibo. Going along with that, jetia disinvestment hoise, it is a Accord refinery. Idate ketiao yar public sector character to herai na jay. So internally, Assam government has also decided that why not we increase our share. Ami enekwata porjayaleke ami amar share to loi jao, jot Ahom Sarkarar sammoti obihone ketiao yat further disinvestment সম্ভৱ নহব. So roughly we calculate that Ahom Sarkarar jodi 26% thake, then Assam government will be a very important players. Our baki share jote na jakok kyo, with 26% share in an entity, it will always retain public sector character, orthat Rajobha Udyogor jitu character hetu rakha koribo. 1400 koti toka tetia ami koisilu, but when actual assessment began, I got a call from Oil India Chairman Mr. Mishra one day that it will be 2,150 crores. Amar Ahom Sarkar logot iman toka poisao nathake, iman dangor investment koribo para, because as you know, our own earning, through our own earning, we can sustain only for 4 months. Other part, we have to depend on various central government schemes, source, that devolution, or we have to take loan from the market. But realizing that etu eta khub dangor sujog aru Ohomor manuhe jodi ei sujogtu heruai নতুন প্ৰজন্মৰ ওচৰত 15-20 বছৰ 50 বছৰ পিছতো আমি উত্তৰ দিয়াৰ প্ৰয়োজন হ'ব যে at that moment অসম চৰকাৰে এটো সুযোগ কিয় হেৰুৱালে during accord time also আমাৰ হাতত সুযোগ আছিল 26% লোৱা তেতিয়া we lost one opportunity আৰু এবাৰ যদি we lost this opportunity once more উত্তৰ পুৰুষৰ ওচৰত আমি জবাবদিহি হ'ব লাগিব So, আমি বিত্ত বিভাগত সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছিল in consultation with industry department যে জি নহক আমি লম কিন্তু কেতিয়াবা পৰিবেশ এনেকুৱা আহে লম বুলি ভাবি থাকোতে ultimately সিদ্ধান্তটো আহিলে during the election, in the eve of election. মোৰ মনত আছে জুনাইত প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী মোদী ডাঙৰীয়াৰ মিটিং আছিলে on the stage মিশ্ৰ আছিলে মই আছিলো প্ৰধান ডাঙৰী আছিলে আমি গুটেইবোৰ আছিলো তাতে হল যে নহয় 31 মাৰ্চৰ আগত আমি টকাটো দিব লাগে আমাৰ পসিবল নহয় কাৰণ by this time আমি এই বছৰ disinvestment নহব বুলি we start spending our money in different areas so ধৰ্মেন্দ্ৰ প্ৰধান ডাঙৰীয়াক মই ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিছিলো যে কি কৰা যায় তো প্ৰধান ডাঙৰীয়া আমাক কৈছিলে যে you contributed token amount for the current year. Next year, we put the amount to Louisam. Or in the meantime, oil will give money to Government of India on behalf of Government of Assam. So oil has already deposited 2,150 crores on behalf of Government of Assam to the disinvestment or central government of Tealuke DDD. So we paid 500 crore during that point of time. Today we are paying another 500 and by September we will clear other 1100 crores also because otherwise we have to keep on paying interest. So with this, Assam government from now will have 26% share in NRL. Now, why NRL is so important? আমি NRL ত কিয় ইনভেস্ট কৰিব লাগে প্ৰথম কথা যে NRL এটা একৰ্ড ৰিফাইনাৰী সুপ্তি ৰিফাইনাৰী it has an emotional connect but decision on finance is not takes on the basis of emotions আমি যদিও অসমৰ মানুহ আবেগিক হয় but as a finance minister probably now as a chief minister মই আবেগক যুক্তিৰ আগত আহিব দিব নোৱাৰো I have to be restrained on that count but this is a very very prudent business decision last year we got with 12% share we got 335 crore as a dividend from Numaligarh so now with 26% our dividend will be if everything otherwise market is stable market behave the way they behaved last year because it also depends on crude prices if there is no predictability but obviously it will be 500 crore plus so in 4 years our investment will come back or to 6th year it will come back or along with the interest jitu ami ei poisa khini jodi belek kamot invest koriloten jitu interest palu eten even if we calculate 8% interest hopefully all this investment will come back to us by way of dividend in next 4 to 5 years and then we will own that asset 26% but this is not what potential of NRL as of now unaluke jane je NRL is embarking a huge mission that now they have a production capacity refining capacity of 3 MMT 3 million metric tons NRL has already gets approval got approval from Government of India to enhance its capacity to 9 MMT. So I should compliment NRL and its MD, Mr. Borua, because we tried lot of formal and informal channel to get that investment cleared from different bureaucratic layers. Probably, I still remember that Mr. Borua and me, we went to the even residence of the then Revenue Secretary to pursue that matter. So every decision has lot of stories, lot of things to tell. But that kind of effort is there on the part of NRL management. And plus, Modi Dangoria, Dharmendra Pradhan Dangoria, duijone, they takes NRL always in a different footing. Because again, NRL has an emotional connect with people of Assam. So NRL will soon become, by 2024, NRL will become a refinery with 9 million metric ton capacity. So if you put a thumb rule, jodi 3 MMT ami 500 koti pound, when it will become 9 MMT, it will definitely will get 1500 crores annually. So that is one business sense. But otherwise also, NRL of Kisuman Notun Kam hoi ase, Paradipor pora, crude pipeline teoluke bohuaise, G crude pipeline or joriote, not only capacity will be enhanced for Numaligarh, even the capacity of Bongaigaon, Guwahati refinery, and Numaligarh refinery, tinitare capacity bahibo. Agot ami বহুদিন আগতে কথা পাতিছিলো যে অসমৰ তেল বাৰাউনিলৈ লৈ যায়. Now 6 million metric ton crude will come to Assam. ইয়াত ৰিফাইন হ'ব আৰু ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি মায়ানমাৰ, বাংলাদেশ, ভাৰতৰ বিভিন্ন স্থানলৈকে ৰিফাইনাৰী তেল আমি বিক্ৰী কৰিম. যেতিয়া আমি তেল বিক্ৰী কৰোঁ, অইল ইণ্ডিয়াই হওক, নুমলীগড়ে হওক, অইলে তেল উলিয়াই আমি তিনিটা কম্পোনেণ্টত ধন পাওঁ. এটা ৰয়েলিটি পাওঁ, এটা তেওঁলোকে যিমান তেল উলিয়াব তাৰ ওপৰত আমি ভ্যাট পাওঁ, আৰু আফটাৰ অল গভৰ্নমেণ্ট অফ ইণ্ডিয়াই যি এক্সাইজ ডিউটি পায় তাৰ পৰা আকৌ আমালৈকে ডিভলিউশ্যনত পুঁজি আহে. চ' অইল এণ্ড পেট্ৰলিয়াম ছেক্টৰ লাষ্ট প্ৰেছ কনফাৰেন্সত মই কৈছিলোঁ যে উইদাউট অইল এণ্ড পেট্ৰলিয়াম ছেক্টৰ আছাম উইল ফেচ এ ভেৰি ব্লিক ফিউচাৰ. অসমৰ ভৱিষ্যত অন্ধকাৰ হৈ পৰিব. So that is why we keep on supporting our oil companies. Tat kono kokhonar kotha nai, bonsonar kotha nai. They are contributing to the Assam economy. Aru jothesto korise. So now our target is that Numaligarh 9 MMT capacity by 2024 ahibo lage. Aru oilor aji oile 3 million metric ton crude uliyai. It should go up to 4 million metric ton. তেতিয়া নুমলীগড়ত আমি বাহিৰৰ পৰা কমাই আনিলেও হ'ব. Our own crude can go to নুমলীগড়, আৰু otherwise will be আমি বাহিৰৰ ক্ৰুডৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰিব লাগিব. So today's our investment symbolically অসমৰ এটা কিমান সুন্দৰ ভৱিষ্যত আছে অসমৰ, তাক আমি আজি আমি দেখুৱাব পাৰিছো. আমাৰ ইনভেষ্টমেন্ট 26% hobo. Coupled with that, NRL will become 9 million metric ton. Aru NRL or Vitora 5 lakhs bamboo bosorok consume kori biorefinery jot ethanol bonabo jor ethanol will be mixed with diesel. Another eta sustainable energy create kora karne another biorefinery within the NRL. Now all these initiatives, Assam government, ami 26% ownership amar logot thaki. Basically, eta sundor dinor arambhoni, moi Asomor raijok onurodh korim je oil jimane grow koribo, we get gas. Aru ei gas ami kot process koru? Assam Gas Company. Assam Gas Company has 3-4 projects with Oil India. Duliajar Numaligarh gas pipeline, Saha Baganok gas dibor karne ami Assam Gas Company aru amar majot joint venture ase. Aru finally পূৰ্ব ভাৰতী গ্যাস কোম্পানী বুলি আমি এটা কৰিছো য'ত গ্যাস গ্ৰিড বনি আছে অসমৰ বাহিৰৰ পৰা গ্যাস আহিব অসমৰ ভিতৰৰ গ্যাস নহয় যি গ্যাসক আমি সিএনজি আৰু ডমেষ্টিক গ্যাস কানেকশনৰ কাৰণে গুৱাহাটী হাইলাকান্দি শিলচৰ কৰিমগঞ্জত আমি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিম and gradually to all the district headquarters. Again, oil amar logot partnership ase on Assam Petrochemical. Jot ami another 4 months or 3 months from now, we are going to inaugurate another 1500 crore investment project. Jot ami ki banai ase? Methanol we are producing. So Oil India ETA as a central government organization. But along with that, oil is our development partner in Assam Gas Company, Assam Petrochemicals, DNP Duliaja Numoligor Company, and in Purva Bharati, full Purva Bharati and Indradhanush. So on these 5 Assam government company, oil is our partner. Oil has investment. So, just to appreciate that what kind of things are going on behind the curtain, people will appreciate more and more that what kind of contribution Oil India is contributing. Numoligor with Government of Assam. From today, this is a joint project between Government of Assam and Oil India. Numoligor will be ours. Assam Gas Company, Petrochemicals, DNP, Purva Bharati, Indradhanush Gas Company. So, in a spectrum of range in petrochemicals, BVFCL, that is the issue we'll discuss later on. So, all these 5-6 area আমি কাম কৰিছো নেক্সট আইছে গ্যাস ক্ৰেকাৰ Oil India আৰু Assam government again is partner এইবাৰ গ্যাস ক্ৰেকাৰ company we have made profit and Assam government will get whatever we are going to get dividend. Next, Namrup fertilizer also we are in advanced stage of discussion when oil and Assam government will jointly try to re-energize Namrup fertilizer. We again committed 26% of share from Assam government. So lot of things will be there in next 5 years. A lot of movement we'll see on positive side. Lot of exciting development will be there. Assam economy, I think by next 4th and 5th years, we will see a positive changes. Apart from that, Oil India logot, ami eta koru exploration ami kam arambho korisu. Je teoluk eta block paise near Namrup. Jot 90% teoluke invest korise, ami 10% korisu because this is a kind of risk is there also that ketiaba ami tel pabo paru na pabo paru. So that moi ei kotha khini kiyo koisu je etia kuneo oil of Bharat Sarkarar Pratishthan boli dhoribo nalage. I think oil has more to do with Assam government now than Government of India. Giving a symbolic royalty to oil, Government of India, that also come back to us. Aro etia moi bhabu je CMD oil mur logot he besi phonot kotha pati thakibo lage than the petroleum minister because he has so many things to do with Assam government. Ekarne moi bhabu যে আমি Oil India প্ৰতি আমাৰ মানসিকতাৰ এটা পৰিৱৰ্তন হ'ব লাগে আৰু অইলে যিমানে এক্সপ্লোৰেশন কৰিব পাৰিব the money will be in Assam only. They will make more investment in Assam either in gas cracker or in petrochemicals or in gas. গতিকে মই ৰাইজক আহ্বান জনাম যে প্ৰতি টোপাল অইল প্ৰতি টু গ্যাস oil ji production koribo, this will contribute only in Assam development. Ekarne ami ajir ei khontut muhurtotut someday I will take a bit more time manuhok bahut kotha ami najano even These are sometimes these are education to many officers also, because nobody is aware about the kind of development initiative we are engaged in last 5 years, particularly post 2014. Under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Modi and Dharmendra Pradhan, oil is doing a bahut besi engage hoi goise Asomor logot, aru I think these will help us everywhere. Today gas petrochemicals is profit making, gas companies profit making, DNP is profit making, gas Kekar is profit making, of course Numoligor is profit making. Everywhere Assam government or Asomor Rajor stake আছে. In somewhere we have the controlling share, somewhere oil has a controlling share. Aru moi bhabu the future is unlimited. The kind of aggression Assam government has acquired now, along with the natural aggression on the part of Oil India, I think two aggressive partner, ami duitai jitu dhorne ami arambho korisu, ami bhabu je ami Asomok orthonoitik unnoyonor বহু দূৰলৈ আগুৱাই লৈ যাব পাৰি। সো এই কথাখিনি এটা বিশেষকৈ মাজে মাজে কথাবোৰ চলি থাকে কাৰণে মই অকণমান I took some extra time. I'll appreciate that আপোনালোকৰ যদি মনত কিবা প্ৰশ্ন আছে, because this is a press conference, so I'll appreciate just raise your hand and put the question. First of all, you must realize that where we are putting money in an oil or petrochemical sector, at least next 50 years, profitability will be there in that sector. So this is a prudent investment. Assam has a typical problem that our budget is mainly financed by tax revenue. Our non-tax contribution to budget is very, very minimal, unlike government like Gujarat. So these last 5 years, we have a minus also. When I took over as a finance minister, in the first revenue earning meeting, we have decided that we need to increase our non-tax revenue, because this is your own revenue without putting tax on people. Tax revenue badhamane ki manuhar pora besi tax loisu. These are negative revenue. But non-tax revenue is a positive revenue. We are doing something, that is why you are getting it. So our aim is to increase Assam non-tax revenue. And we consider petroleum sector is a profit earning, and as and when you know that this is a time to come out, you will be able to come out. Look, whatever the international oil market pricing, so as a PSU or government, you do not expect more profit. We are bullish on development. We are bullish on investing money which oil or government of Assam earn to pump into the development process of Assam. We are bullish on development. We are not bullish on making profit. We are bullish on taking up more and more development activities, so that whatever we earn, we can push it back to for the welfare of people of Assam. Bishekoi as a Mukhyamantri hisabe moi Bharator Pradhan Mantri Modi Dangoria, Petroleum Minister Dharmendra Pradhan Dangoria, Oilor CMD Mishra Dangoria ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো আৰু সৰু কথা এটা একনলেজ নকৰিলে ভুল হ'ব যে মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী যেটো আমি অসমত ভ্যাকচিন ইন্টেনসিফিকেশনৰ কাৰণে যে মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী সাহায্য পুঁজি লৈ আমি বৰঙনি বিচাৰিছো I am very proud to announce that oil has contributed 5 crores, NRL has contributed 5 crores, Assam Gas Company has contributed 1 crore, and Assam Petrochemicals Limited has contributed 1 crore. AIDC also 1 crore. So, ठीक है, AIDC हमारा है, लेकिन from petroleum sector, so we got almost 12 crores of rupees even to the Chief Minister Relief Fund. So these are certain things on petroleum sector. So thank you very much. Akoloko.